this is my 5th website, and it's called DOGO News. I chose this website because I wish I could have had this when I taught 6th grade. It gives such good news articles written for the younger audience and connects it with educational topics. And I absolutely love that about this. This would have been so cool for kids when I taught 6th grade. And this would be awesome for upper elementary teachers, especially if you teach like social studies, and the purpose could be to do a current event and have the kids come on, find their own current event in a place where you know that's going to be educational and where you know it's going to be safe for kids to look at. Or you could use it as an early finisher. I know that lots of kids get done early with their work and they have nothing to do. So this would be so awesome for them to have something to go and look at. And even if they wanted to just go browse and not look at one specific thing, this would be something that is educational and something that would be an awesome way to spend their time at school. You could also use it if you're teaching a specific topic if you're talking about the moon or about space, you could connect it with a real life story. So you could use this as a real life story if you wanted to. So that is just so cool. The audience would be probably upper elementary. I really don't see younger elementary getting onto this, but if you taught them how, and if you did it maybe as a whole group, and you explicitly taught them exactly how to do it, you modeled it, they could possibly get on here, but they're not written for younger students. And there's some big words in there that I don't think younger students would understand as much as the older. My standards that connect to this are 1C, which is stay current with research that supports improved student learning outcomes, including findings from the learning sciences. And 4C, which is use collaborative tools to expand students' authentic real-world learning experiences by engaging virtually with experts, teams, and students. So I thought that one was linked very well with this. So when you get onto this website, it looks like this, and there's all of these different things that you can click on. So if you go to current events, it'll take you to what's current. And so it has the U.S. Women's National Soccer Team, National Ice Cream Month. I think kids would love that. And ever since I've been on here, it has been updating already. So how cool is that it updates so quick? You can go to a science tab. If kids are interested in science and they want to learn about that, they can go here and learn about the shark's return to California waters after several decades. So I think that kids would really, really like that. If they are more into social studies, they could go here and go to social studies and learn about that. Or we go even have a little bit of fun, or sports. I know some boys that would have loved the sports tab when I taught 6th grade. So I think this would be an awesome tool for upper elementary. And if younger elementary would want to figure out a way to do it, that would be awesome too. So this is an awesome, awesome tool.